So today we are here at South Florida Fairgrounds, and we're going to see the monster trucks. St. Lucie Fairgrounds. Hi guys. Say hi to mommy.
Monster trucks. Mommy, that's one.
I know. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, i-share ko lang sa inyo nung time na pumunta kami sa Monster Truck Show dito sa Fort Pierce. Ginanap yun sa St. Lucie Fairgrounds actually. Mga 30 minutes drive din coming from our house. So, ginawa namin yun kasi gustong-gusto ni Julian talaga yung mga monster trucks. Ang favorite niya ay si Grave Digger. Pero this time, hindi naman si Grave Digger yun nandito. Pero since first time naming matry at makapunta doon, hindi namin alam kung may mga dapat pa kaming bilhin or dalhin. So, ang ticket ay ranging, I think, $26 if I'm not mistaken para sa aming mga adults, and then mga $10 or $11 para sa mga age ni Julian. Wow! Julian, that's what we saw in the picture earlier. High tide! Frostbite, Virginia Giant, Rainmaker. Wow, that's cool. Right there, babe. Yeah, it's a small one. Come on, go take a picture there, babe. Huh? Take a picture there. I'm not gonna let you go to the bounce house, sige ka. So, how do they drive this, babe, to get here? They drive it in the road? Disassemble it? How?
On a trailer.
Oh!
Trailer.
It goes inside? Does it fit? So kaya pala dun sa email na na-receive namin, kailangan magdala ka ng earmuffs kasi ganun pala talaga ka-loud yung mga monster truck doon sa event. So, ang ending, bumili yung asawa ko ng earmuffs para kay Julian kasi nga sobrang lakas. Pero bumili rin siya ng maliliit na earplugs para naman sa aming dalawa. Kasi kung wala yon, sobrang lakas talaga, sobrang ingay, as in mabibingi ka. Pero all in all, dahil first time namin to, nag-enjoy kami. So sa mga susunod na mangyayari, alam na namin yung dapat naming gawin, bilhin, at kung ano pa. So tumagal ng mga about 2 hours yung show na yon, and super enjoy naman kami kasi grabe talaga yung mga truck doon at makikita mong lumilipad sila.
Our field of competitors. Introducing first, all the way from the great state of Virginia, making old school cool, representing 40 years of one of the most iconic monster trucks ever made. Give it up for Cliff Val, the Virginia Giant! representing the name of one of the first female monster truck competitors in the 1990s. She's ready to beat up all the boys in a 2018 Little Miss Dangerous! Our monster truck tour all the way from Howell, Michigan. I want to see everyone put your hands up and show the bear claws, bro. He is a laid-back dude in the pits, but once he straps on the helmet, he becomes one of the wildest drivers on the track. Chevrolet, Florida, he's representing you from just an hour down the road in Coral Springs, Florida. Get loud for one of your own, Dustin Maloney! Performers, and now he's grown that business into a global trucking empire. This driver is ready to knock out the competition all the way from Blaine, Minnesota. Put those hands in the air, show them those fists. It's Brett Bowlby, the Haymaker.
Naman ako doon sa nakita ko na yung si Little Miss Dangerous kasi babae siya and cutesy manamit, tapos hindi mo lang akalain na nagma-monster truck driving siya or she's a driver of monster truck. Meron din isang babae doon, Polar Bear, first time niya daw ito na maging sumali sa monster truck, pero ang ganda, ang galing ng kanyang nung truck niya, ang galing lang talaga kasi cute kasi nga Polar Bear. May representation din ng Florida doon, which is si High Tide. Taga Coral Springs siya. 1 hour away naman yung Coral Springs from sa amin. And nakakatuwa lang kasi at least merong representation yung Florida kasi karamihan ng mga nandun ay talagang taga ibang lugar. So yun, tuwang-tuwa lang kami. Although hindi siya yung masasabi kong pinakamagaling. Ang pinakamagaling sa akin sa palagay ko ay si Haymaker. So si Haymaker, ang galing lang ng mga tricks niya, talagang lumilipad, talagang tumutuwad-tuwad na ganun yung mga kotse, ay yung truck. Pero guys, kasi ang tagal ng mga videos ko. Sa totoo lang, medyo, dahil nga sa sinabi ko sa inyo noon na very perfectionist ako, ayan, ang ending, wala talaga akong nailalabas. Kasi gusto ko, mas perfect pa sa perfect. Eh, hindi naman makatotohanan, di ba? Pero anyways, I hope you guys enjoy my video. And thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!